I'm Dr. David Beaulieu, and I'm back today with more news you can use. And once again, I'm on a rant, and it has to do with statin drugs. And for the very, very small number of people that statin drugs contributes to as far as reversal of cardiovascular risk, the damage they do appears with the continuing years of accumulating data appear to be so much greater. And as it is with almost all industry, there's a desire, there's a need to build greater profit, to do more business, even if it's harmful. Once it's been set up, once it's making money, people are on the receiving end, they don't want to stop a business. They don't want to stop profit, and it doesn't make any difference whether people are dying. Just for an example, if you think that the asbestos industry didn't know the damage that was being done with its products, if you think the tobacco industry didn't know, then you're unbelievably naive. I'd be shocked if you're listening to this video. The truth of the matter is, statins are a bad drug. For the vast majority of people, they do much more damage than they do good. And the pharmaceutical industries have so much power in Washington, they keep upgrading. So more and more people get prescribed statin drugs. Right now, we're looking at 1 in 4 Americans over the age of 45 years old being prescribed a statin drug, while we have over 900 studies proving their adverse effects, from muscle rot to cancer, not to mention risk of increased heart failure. But that's why you're taking the drug in the first place. So what's the point? And now what we see is these statin guidelines have been dramatically changed to increase the number of teenagers on these drugs. This is just insane. And heart disease isn't due to cholesterol. We've known that now for 25 to 30 years, and it's clearly in the literature in the last decade. The data is overwhelming. We're being prescribed a drug to lower a body chemical that's absolutely critical for health. Why would the liver manufacture 95% of the cholesterol in the body if we didn't really need it? It's a basic building block of vitamin D, which we now know is a critical vitamin. It's a basic building block of all of our get up and go hormones. All of your steroids are made from sterol, which is made from cholesterol. You got to have this stuff. And it's scary. And cholesterol does not cause heart disease, but a statin deficiency does not cause heart disease. And fat does not cause heart disease. Refined carbohydrates cause heart disease in the vast majority of cases. But that's being sold to us by all of the fast food industry. It's being sold to us by all the manufactured food industry. Let's get this right, people. Heart disease is not caused by a statin drug deficiency. Statin drugs cause additional inflammation. They cause diabetes, well established now in the literature. And as soon as you have increased gut weight, increased abdominal adiposity, body fat, increased cardiovascular risk goes up, increased cancer risk goes up, increased risk goes up to all of the inflammatory diseases. This statin drug is a killer. That's it.